Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today in our tech news we have Google that apparently is about to settle on a lawsuit. So what's happening is that a lawsuit for something like $1 billion was started against Google because we of course know that in Google and browsing you can actually open what's called a incognito mode, which basically lets you technically, and that's what they actually use as a wording, go into more of a private mode. So incognito is a mode where there's supposed to be no tracking, and it's supposed to be very private. Now the problem is, it was kind of deemed that even though incognito mode kind of tells you that you're private and that there's, privacy is there, Google would be still tracking you through this incognito mode. Apparently, the settings of Google itself in the browser that are the standard settings would still apply in incognito mode, but it doesn't say so when you actually look at any of the details. So what they've said is, well, you're snooping on us even in that mode, which you actually advertise as being a, private mode where technically no one should see the activity. Now, they went to court, and according to Ars Technica, Google has decided that they want to settle. So we don't have the details yet, but apparently they decided, okay, let's settle this. And even though, Google said, well, we do say that there's some tracking going on if you read some of the agreement and so on, but it didn't really hold up in court because the people behind the lawsuit said, well, no, it's not clear that it applies to incognito mode. So no, you can't say that. So we'll see what happens and how what settlement happens with that. But it's that this is where we are today with walking on very thin lines with privacy, security, and the features we want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.